Good morning, humans. I am up relatively early for me, but not early enough.
Here's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line. Try a different lipstick.
Sorry for the background noise. If you listen closely, that's what's going on down there. Yeah, she's chowing down on wet food. I don't know how much she finished of the one I gave her yesterday, because her grandma does this thing where I'm cleaning cat dishes. That's nice. I would like Olive to at least get a chance to eat all her food before, you come and scarf it away from her, especially since I gave it to her late. But she's chowing down on that. She's so happy and rotten. It's 10 o'clock. I have a lot I gotta get done before 1:30, or quarter after 1, I should say. Yeah. So I'm gonna get on it. Not that I want to, but I have to. Ha 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 ha. She ate all her food. Now she's blissfully. I need to use this. I bought this and I've used it once, twice. My laptop's acting up and I have a headache and I have to go to work here in like 15 minutes. Nugget, mommy has to go to work. You gonna miss me? Do I gotta put a collar on you? I hate all the yelling in this house. I have a lot of things in this house. I'm not going to go into detail today about that. I'm going to think of something positive. Kittens and puppies playing together at the same time. Puppy bowl. This is what I think when I think of my cat. This shall be my finest moment. That's what I think of when I look at her. This shall be her finest moment. I'm home from work, and there's a spaz over there. Can you see the spaz? Probably barely. You're spazzing! What the hell? You're a cute kitten, and now you're spazzing. Showing off your hoo-ha-ha. What the hell? You can't have that. She can't have that. She can't have my clip. Before I went to work, I had this horrible migraine. It's gone now. I finally got rid of the effects of it. What was I gonna say? I forgot that tomorrow is a Sailor Moon Saturday. Had to set my alarm for that. I planned on, I'm gonna sleep in, it's gonna be wondrous, and then I'm like, wait, Sailor Moon's tomorrow. I can't sleep in. I can't. I have to be up. So I have to watch it, when it comes out at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Nugget! Stop it! So damn rotten. Anyways, I'm just getting my shit together. Stuff I need to do. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and read some fan fiction like my normal. Like I normally do. Wind down from work and then go crash so I can get up early to watch Sailor Moon. Maybe I'll film my reaction to it this time. It's gonna be an intense episode. They're going to the moon. And if you're a Sailor Moon fan, you know what that shit means. You do. Nugget. Oh, you're sleeping over there. I don't know what's going on. I have to go to bed. I just looked at the time, 12:30. If I'm going to be up at 5:45 to watch Sailor Moon tomorrow, I need to get in bed. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna shower, go to bed, I'll see you guys in the morning. It's a short one, I know. Sorry. It's what you get when I work 8 hours. It was very busy. Very busy. Very busy. Bubbles again. I want to make bubbles. I want to make things. Oh, I get. Okay, yeah. Need to make another one of those. What does this one say? Oh, okay. Gotta do that. Just chill. Yes, I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you had a good day. I'm talking to my computer. I need to get out of this room and get a life.